Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we can see how to navigate our menu. In order to navigation, we need a React router. Let's run. Let's add our install the library yarn add React router. Yeah, we are done with the step one. We are installed a React router. So I will create a new module and create a new model. So inside that component I will create a router directory. Router. Inside that I will create a JSX router. Okay. After that I will use a switch because this switch will take care the exact case. If I send a path as a slash add course, it will look for the slash add core and it will navigate to our component. So inside that switch should be always in the root. So inside that I will add a router from the React router. And what is my path? This is my path. Once add course, once add course will route, it will navigate to our component, that is add course. We'll create a component called let's create a course file, and I will create a add course. So this add course, I will see. So this is my add course. Okay. So once the user clicks on the add course, it should navigate to our add course component. So in order to do that, we have to tell a router to which component we need to map. So that is add course. Once, so this is for add course. This is for add course. I will create same for display course. Display course. So I want to create a one more JSX, that is a display course. Okay. So this is my display course. So I will add a component here, so that is display course. Okay. So when the user click on add course, this will navigate to our add course component, and same for the display. So we have to add a one more reference over in the router part, sorry, in the menu part. Still we didn't give any path here. We'll mention add course that should be equal to this path, and same for the display as well. Once user click on that, it will navigate. So we need to add this course menu inside the router. So I wanted in this page, when this router will be a root component, so I will add it in the router course router. So in order to support an HTML5 browsers, we need to use a browser router module. So inside that we need to import that from the React DOM. So import from the browser router from React router. We need to install this dependency as well. We all add our React router DOM. Once it is installed, we have browser router. So we have to, this is a browser router, always will be a root component. Inside the browser router, then we have to use only the router, then only it will navigate. Let's start our server. npm start. So once click on the add courses displaying. This on display courses displaying. For the home page, still we are not done anything. So let's add a home page router. So router, the will give the path. I just give a slash. The component is, I will say, home component. I will say home course. So I will create a JSX for this. I will create a home course. So this is a course application. This is my course application. We'll import the course application over here. We are done with the import. Okay, we'll run it. Yeah, we can see the course application. Once user click on the home menu, it will navigate to our course application. If we click on the add course, it will navigate to add course. That's a course. Okay, I think we have to add one more thing. That's when user send path of exact path, so then only it will go to home course. So when the user clicks on this path, it should navigate. So the switch will be always like this. It will check for the case slash, then it will go. So we are telling for an exact slash, then only it will look for this home course. So when you click, when you run it, you can see now add course. So when you click on the course application, when you click on the add course application, when you click on the display course, it will be navigate to display component page. So this is pretty much on the React router. In the next session, we can see how to add the course using the form. We can use a formic over there. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.